As I mentioned in previous videos, our utility company needed to cut down the pin oak in the corner of our yard in order to replace a damaged power pole. But its disposal is up to us. Wow. They did promise to leave it in, I quote, manageable pieces. One aims for scale. Now it is up to a couple former desert dwellers to figure out how to break down and move this massive heap of wood before the utility company comes back to do their work.
Did you get a wedge? Just lean it up so it don't get in the dirt. Ready? Watch your feet. I don't know. I did my plunge. I just need you to stick the wedge in there because that's what's going to split it apart. Oh yeah. Just keep going, see what happens. You should be seeing it some split.
It seems like it's opening a little right there.
How many whacks you get?
God, I know. I think that was 6.
Okay, they said about 15 to 20.
Seeing a crack.
Are you?
Yep.
Sweet. Oh, I see it too. Yep. It's going to split.
Oh,
Yeah, you're killing it, girl.
Bottom.
You got one at the top too. It's going to split.
Woo.
Oh, yeah, look at it splitting now.
Uh-huh.
There you go.
Yep, I think that did it.
Yep. Yep, it did it. Woo.
Yeah, I smell it smoking.
Ooh, look at that sucker. Oh yeah, it's gonna split right there. Yep, that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Are these good enough size chunks for curing? I think, right? And we can move them at least. No prize at this carnival. There you go. There it is.
Wow. This is not good.
There. Woo.
I can definitely see how it comes back and kicks you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see a little crack right there though on that hit. 18.
I'm not seeing any cracks.
19. I think the last time we got it up to like here.
Oh. Yeah, it was pretty.
Yeah, there's some cracks.
Okay. Trying to keep it as vertical
Yeah.
as possible seems to help.
Still not seeing no cracks. Not like the other one.
Well, this one might be harder because it's at a joint. It's the bottom of a Y, so we're hitting between the hearts.
Maybe I should see if we can.
Yeah, we might have to do it twice.
Okay, let me plunge cut there.
Okay.
Whew. 19.
Oh, that was a bad hit.
18 and a half.
Yep.
19 and a half. 20. Oh, it's right there.
Come on. We might lose our.
This is where we have two.
Yep.
Put it here or here? Wherever's close, whatever you're thinking. Come on, don't make me lose two. Come on! There you go. Yeah, perfect.
Goodness.
Woo. To that circle on the side, I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, that did
Yeah.
it?
And it seems like if you can get to that, it doesn't bounce back out.
Snap, crackle, pop. So importantly, the force is from your right hand, and you always keep it at the bottom. Left hand is for aim. And you let it slide towards your right hand as you come down.
Woo! Woo! I love to hear it snap.
Yeah.
Who says you need to go to the gym?
Right? This is like some awesome CrossFit. Functional fitness.
So glad I got two of those.
Yeah. See if I can get one more before. Yeah, you gotta put the other guy in there. Come on. Oh, I think it broke. Yay!
Oh, no, get that out of there.
They both still stuck in there.
Wow!
Yeah, there it is. You're now the king.
God, that was painful.
Yeah.
Like, how big of a log can you split?
I mean, I can split this one if it's dry.
Well, I didn't know if we needed to cut this again.
Oh no, I can split that with an axe once it's dry.
Is that one pretty dry?
I think so.
I picked
Yeah.
it up out of that.
Yeah, the
Oh
pine.
my God.
Any of the pine has been sitting there for a while.
Woo! I think we're gonna try to cut that guy. I'm just gonna do a plunge cut there.
That weird one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be
I
another
think
one.
we can
With,
kind of split it here.
it's gonna be another twofer.
Yeah. Woo! Let me get the wagon.
Yeah. A blank spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got one wagon load
Yeah.
finished,
And bunch moved
and
for
then
chopping.
all these chunks ready to chop. Well, when they dry. And yeah.
We had a log splitter.
Yeah, if we had a log splitter. Split City. All right. Tool picking up time.
Oh. 14.
Oh,
15.
oh yeah, here it comes. Oh, it's coming all the way down. It's hanging up right here at this joint, so we're trying to jam it in there.
push it.
A bunch.
Oh,
God.
woo!
That's a big honker. Damn, honey.
Oh, I'm messing around with it.
Yeah.
Put this over here, see if I can cut it up. Sound good?
Yep.
It's rotten inside, look.
Oh, yeah, sure is.
We'll just keep plugging away at it,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
That's all I can do.
Exactly.
Like if we do, what is there? 25.
Rounds. We do like 3 a day.
That'll be done.
That's
by,
2 weeks. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know if we'll be able to do 3 of those big ones.
Yeah. Yeah, those guys are huge.
Yeah.
Log cracking ASMR.
Oh, I love it. It's so attractive. All right. Think about it, baby. It's going to be seasoning from May, June, July, August, September. We probably won't use it until October.
True.
That's 6 months. I think it'll be just fine.
There it goes.
Check it out. Yeah.
You can't be on the job site. Too dangerous.
Come on.
Way up here in the sunshine.
Go.
Come on, Holly.
Holland. Come here. These are inside out. Pull it. Oh, wow, that knot even came right out.
Yeah.
Can you help me load that one and that one?
Yeah.
Barely.
Same.
True. Oh, push them. Yeah. Yeah. Just want him to land where the plunge goes when I rotate him. Okay. through. Nope. Schlumpy. Long enough. This gets the sun during the morning, so it'll help dry it out, but the afternoon when we actually work.
You gonna help? No? This is 3 days.
On it while I cut these.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Hi, Bob. What are you doing? Hey, I chainsawing. You chainsawing too?
Okay. He doesn't want to get down. Okay. Okay, now I'll have you help me load that big one.
Okay.
Gonna try to lift it and put on the wedges and see if I can get the chainsaw through it.
No. Yeah, I just gotta get both those wedges. Down, wedges down the edges. Sucker. Here's a stubborn one.
Well, I gotta have one of those.
Yep. I got the real easy one, and this is the payback for having that.
This thing ain't budging.
Nope.
It's like stuck in the middle.
Yeah, you see the fiber still attached there? Like,
Yeah.
like I can't quite get my axe down there.
Ready? He might be the only one I take.
Yep.
All right, I'll take him.
Yeah, he's worth his own ride. Wow.
Don't fall off, guy, because I don't want to carry you again.
Oh, careful.
We got this. Good.
Woo, sounds good.
Yeah. Snap, crackle, pop.
I think another thing that makes it real hard is if I can't plunge cut all the way through.
Yeah, yeah. It wants to hold on in the bottom.
It looks split all the way.
On this side. That side, not.
Okay, yeah, it definitely does. We're definitely making a dent, though, I gotta say.
Yeah. Yep. We're just a couple small people with some basic tools.
Yep.
You know, how many hours a day do we spend? 2?
Yeah, we tried to.
I almost need like an even bigger Bertha
Yeah.
breaker bar. We're gonna break that shoulder.
Oh, yeah. This thing is not budging.
Nope. Oh.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God.
Put it in 4-wheel drive.
This thing is heavy.
Day 4, 2 hours a day.
So 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 hours?
We have a space.
Yeah. Look how much dent I made over there in that small stuff.
Yeah. A little log pile over there is getting smaller.
It would have helped if they would have did it, 14 or 16 inches.
Uh-huh.
Some of these are 18, 20 inches
Yeah.
tall.
Yeah. So it makes it hard for us to
Yeah.
do what we need to do. Like you saw that one that was, how do you think that one that was three blows, maybe 14 inches or so?
Yeah.
3 blows.
They just split. We'll definitely be done by August.
Yeah.
I'd say we'll be done by the end of June.
Come on, Gun. We're going in. Come on.
Oh, Doug, you and your little
his pouch, his primordial flap,
God.
primordial pouch. Come on, Mulchy.
And then we'll take this once I'm done and wedge it underneath there and I'll do a plunge cut.
Okay.
Let's see if my chainsaw blade might not even deep enough. Yep, let's see where we end up today.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds good. Oh yeah, you want to get out of
You
here.
want to be in here, bud.
It's gonna be loud and dangerous.
cut those again, aren't we?
Yep.
It's good to know that that worked, though.
Yeah. Every time we learn another little trick and tip. All right, let me help you get this guy in.
Let's get this one split, get these two split again, and then that little guy,
Okay.
and then call it.
Sounds good.
Tomorrow we'll work probably way longer, just because it's going to be 70 degrees, so we need to take advantage of it.
Yeah, for sure.
So 78.
Yeah, a little toasty today. Yeah, there were two splits, and that's probably why.
Let me see if I can pull on this side. You pull on that side, I'll pull on this one. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Yep, totally a knot right there.
Yeah, big time. All right, so I'll plunge cut that guy, this guy again. You can work on this little guy because that should be easy for you.
Yep, hopefully. I said, why does it look the same?
Literally, it does. I'm gonna plunge cut this guy, roll this guy onto that one, and roll that guy onto that guy. Plunge cut all three of them.
Okay.
Good. Once we get these done, then we'll roll this off so I can plunge cut.
Oh my goodness. Oh my. You just drifted in the sawdust.
Come on! Yeah, it's amazing when you have a nice chain.
Much easier, like butter.
Way better, I tell you that much. I almost thought, like, man, what if we put your office back here?
That corner?
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah. I mean, besides the stump, I just have to get it grinded, but
Yeah. Yeah. It's an easy entrance to the kitchen.
yeah. And we could build the deck off of it so it's all connected.
Yeah. Do like a little,
That'd be cool.
yeah, a little boardwalk or something.
Yeah.
Nice one. Yeah.
I'm not sure.
You think this all good too?
Well,
Okay.
yeah, I think so. Roll it a little bit or just lift it, period. Perfect. Oh, the sun's not supposed to come out.
Yeah, what the heck?
Come on, you're okay. She got another wedge when we were there yesterday.
Oh yeah. I was trying to think if there's something else we were gonna get.
Jeez. year's worth of wood though.
Yeah.
So allergic.
I'm glad I caught that on camera.
So allergic. Sorry guys.
See in the middle, it's not through.
Nope.
Big old knot. Big old knot fibers. I am sweating. I wonder what the humidity is.
Look. It's currently 69 and it only feels like 67 because of the wind, and the humidity is 59.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
Nope.
Not desert humidity,
Nope.
but
The wagon's seen better days.
I think we've used it for what it's beyond what it's engineered for.
Oh my god, this thing is so heavy.
Yeah.
I was just trying to tilt it up and oh my god, I'm struggling. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
Hang in there.
You got it. I got 2 things. Oh my god.
Poor cart. I know. It's like, I'm not sure the sides are doing much of anything.
Well, they do keep it in. That's why they're all bent. Going in?
Yep. So, you tired from all your work?
Oh, buddy, mommy appreciates all your help.
Thanks, guy.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, baby.
There it goes. Woo! Oh my god, how am I gonna move those other ones?
I think we're just gonna keep doing it.
But I mean, those, like, we just struggled just trying
Yeah.
to move that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Looks like it's got a crack starting right here.
So that's where you want me to go, that way?
Oh yeah. Yeah. This one might be a double too. It's got 2 centers.
Okay. Oh shit.
What happened?
Breaker. You broke it for real? I don't think so, but it just came out.
Okay.
I wrecked.
Are you gonna name your wagon my Dixie?
Hold on, guy. I'm gonna do this. Come on. There's that big guy in there.
Oh. Oh. Cute.
Phew, I was so impressed I got the big one in by myself.
Your hand there, honey?
Yeah. Okay. I'm good.
Poor wagon. For the record, the end of the 6th day.
What happened?
My fingers are right here.
Hi. You helping?
Watch out, guys.
I'm just gonna pull it out of the way.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Oh no! Stop!
I'm just so afraid it's gonna crash into the fence.
I don't want to shove it too hard.
Yeah.
All right, I will plunge in.
Okay.
Let's see if we can push it that way.
All right. I'm gonna get the boys out of the way.
I think that'll be okay.
Figured you'd probably do it by yourself.
Perfect. All right, I'll plunge those 3. We'll have to do it a couple times, or probably. But that's a huge. Just think about getting that out of here.
Yeah. Yeah, they're 3 big guys, so it's probably we're gonna have to do them in quarters.
Get you? You don't gonna get you?
think it's split now.
1, 2. Thanks.
Alright.
I just gotta flip it back up so I can
Do another
Yep.
jig bob.
Perfect.
Back jack, do it again. Hang in there, guys. Day 7, I think. Yeah, this one, I'll wait till next week. And unfortunately the wedge is in there until then. But this one was a real pain in the butt. But all the small logs have been moved and we have this much tree left and this much processed, semi-processed, whatever.
I see it right down there. Oh, I can't get my thing in there.
It looked like it released.
Yeah.
Yep, that's all I have, just one thread.
Let's load it.
There you go.
1, 2, 3. Push. I can go anywhere.
And try and pull it apart.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think we're done.
Okay.
All right, so I just need to cut that again and cut this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God.
Next one's gonna be
Oh, yep.
pretty thick out.
1, 2, 3. Oh God.
This one might just be flopping down.
That's too much of a wedge right here.
Yeah.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. The next
hello,
one
guy.
kinda wants to go.
Definitely, I'm gonna have to cut that one like 2 times probably.
Oh yeah, that guy?
Probably 3 times.
For sure.
Let's just split it, and I don't know.
Yep, I think it's ready for a...
What'd you say?
I think it's ready for another division.
Oh yeah. And then maybe another after that.
Yeah. Yeah, it might be a 6-piece. Yeah.
That one's barely hanging on. It was really rusted out from the rain.
Yeah. This is poor thing. Oh, shit.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, God.
Whoa.
Woo.
Got it. Did it? Let me push.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Yeah. I have to walk on this side.
Watch out, guys. Watch out. Come on.
Oh, my God. You're a nut, little boy. Oh, God.
That ain't push. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, I don't think we can.
No, me neither.
How are we gonna do this?
Yeah. You think we could pull from the side without crushing our toes?
You mean this way?
Like, put each of us grab a side and...
Let's try it. 1, 2.
Whoa, well, let's slide it down.
Yeah,
All right.
let's do that. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nope. Let me see if I can get my shovel.
It's just wedging the front end in. See, it's
Oh,
pulling
God.
up all this sawdust. So trying to pull it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like we did that one.
Yeah, let me know when you're in position.
There we go.
Yeah,
I am so good as we're probably gonna get it.
I think you're right. Oh my God.
Did you see him buck?
Uh-huh. He is being a puppy.
Come on!
Toro, Toro!
Woo!
There's a bull. Our home has 2 fireplaces and a fire pit, so now that the wood is in actual, though barely manageable pieces, we can break it down into firewood with a log splitter or an axe. It should keep us warm for a very long time. We will probably use the space for an outdoor seating area, maybe with a nice trellis, and put the fire pit there. We'll see.